Hey, what's up, everybody? I want to talk a little bit about microfiber pollution. Now, kids, this is a topic that I want you to start getting a little bit more familiar with. Now, when I talk about microfibers, what I'm talking about today is the microfibers in our clothes, for example. A lot of people don't realize that when we're doing our laundry, the microfibers that come out of that laundry that we cannot even see are going into our public waterways and eventually making their way to our oceans. So I know a lot of you are probably thinking, well, Captain Planet, what do you do? Well, I use the Cora Ball. Check out those little grooves in there. Now, the Cora Ball was named after the inspiration of coral, because coral, like fan corals, for example, they'll use their little niches to catch all the food that they need to catch, as well as having that zooxanthellae algae in them that produces energy as well, just by the sunlight. So think about this, guys. I put this Cora Ball in my washer, and then it catches with these little grooves all of those little microfibers. When I pull this out of the washing machine, I can actually see little balls of fuzz. Now, I take those balls of fuzz and you can just throw them away. Me personally, I like to take those little balls and fuzz and put them in a little ball and set them on fire, just to make sure that they're not going to be hurting anybody. I go with the Cora Ball myself. There are some cheaper versions of this, but I've read a lot of poor reviews, and the best reviews that I was finding was about the Cora Ball. That's the one that I picked to go with. This guy was about $37, including with the shipping and all that. But to me, I think it's well worth it, because I'm a human being and I have to wash my clothes. And I want to do that in a responsible way. In fact, I'll even make some more videos about what I use for laundry detergent, because I don't use laundry detergent, a little trick I use, and what I use in my dryer as well. I live in an apartment, so I'm not allowed to just hang dry my clothes like some people are able to as an option. So we're going to be talking about some of the different ways that we can live a more sustainable life, even if it's just something simple as a little ball of rubber with all these cool little nooks and crannies. So check it out, guys. I'll include a link in the post. That way it's easy to find. Thanks, guys. Love you.